Hi all, I would like to be honest about review, and this is Anker. This is let's say the best power bank in terms of power out. It's capable of 250 watt out, and I bought it about 3 months ago, and yeah, I was using it just a few times, and now I took it out and eventually I am very disappointed, and I will tell you why. Because as you can see, we have an LCD. The power bank has two USB in out and another type C and another USB regular, and now as you can see it is showing 1%, and I'm connecting with the app. It's showing the same. Okay, so you would expect that you just need to charge it or whatever, and then I'm of course using the cables that came with it, and I have a U-green here, a power adapter 65 watt. Now I will disconnect it and connect directly to USB type C. You can see now it cannot reconnect. Anker is powering on, and what is it is showing 100%. Yeah, so of course one of them is lying. It can't be 1% and at the same time 100%. I guess that it is fully discharged, and if I take it out and I try to, for example, connect it to my phone to charge it, yeah, connecting type C to type C. This is iPhone 15, and you can see it is showing the Anker logo, but it is not powering on, which means that it is probably totally discharged. Now I try to find how to reset it, and you can see from the app how to reset this power bank. It is saying how to reset it. How to reset power bank. So okay, I found it somewhere. It is saying to press 5 seconds on the button here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 short presses, and then it should reset it. So I tried everything, but it looks that it is totally dead. Now this power bank cost is about $200 US. It's very, very expensive because it's high capacity and high power out. Usually Anker doing very good things. You can see this is not a fake one. I'm sure that this is genuine, the real one. But anyway, it is dead. So I will now try maybe a few hours to charge it in the 1.5 watt or 1.4 watt, like it is showing the 1%. Maybe it will wake it up, but I've tried everything and I don't know how to continue from here. Now I'm sure that if I have this problem, so I'm 120% that other viewers or users have the same problem. So if you have the same problem, leave in the comment below description of what you are seeing or how to solve it if you know how to solve it. So thank you for now, and bye.